Create and share new assignments with learners directly from Activity Feed. This tutorial shows how to create a new assignment and link it to your gradebook using Activity Feed. To begin, click the plus icon to create a post, and click Assignment. Enter a title, instructions, and due date for the assignment. Then, specify the submission type using the Submission Type menu. If you have supplementary materials, add them to the assignment by selecting Attach to access options to File Upload, Attach from Existing Content, Web Link, Google Drive or OneDrive, and Video from Web. To add the new assignment to your gradebook, click Add to Grades. Note, this can only make numeric grade items. Adjust the max points for the assignment as necessary, then click Post. The new assignment post displays and tracks the number of assignments submitted by learners. Create and share new assignments with learners directly from Activity Feed.